Okay. So when we have our ones cube, we have one ones cube in the ones here. When we make a 10 stick, how many ones cubes are going to take to make one 10 stick? How many ones cube? You can show me on your hands if you want to, or you can jump on the microphone. How many ones cubes makes one 10 stick? Good job, Noah. Good job, Zuri. Good job, Kinsley. Good job, Rahab. You need to have 10 ones cubes to make one 10 stick. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I made it a big enough one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need one more. 10. So that's my 10 stick. Okay. If I am going to make a hundreds block, right? How many 10 sticks are going to make 100? Do you know? Okay, Zuri thinks 10. Rahab thinks 10. Noah thinks 10. So how many 10 sticks to make a hundreds block? Kinsley says 10. So we are going to have, you have to have 10 sticks, which I don't think I'm going to have enough room, but there should be 10 sticks in a 100s block. Okay, that's not 10. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So it has to be 10 sticks in a hundreds block. Okay. Last but not least today, do you know how many hundreds blocks have to make that makes a thousands cube? So a thousands cube looks like this. These are really big numbers. How many hundreds blocks make a thousands cube? Rahab says 6. Noah says 10. Zuri says 10. How many hundreds blocks makes a thousands cube? Rahab says 10 hundreds blocks makes a thousands cube. Okay, so you're going to need, so what it would do is it would look kind of like this. It's hard to show you, but when they all snap together, they make a cube. Have you ever seen like a Rubik's Cube or like a box and you stack them, right? So it'd be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there'd be 10 hundreds cubes. Okay, that's perfect, Noah. Let's see if we can showcase Noah so he can show his hundreds. Let me see your thousands cube. Good job, Noah. That's what a thousands cube is, right? It looks like a little box. Good job, Noah. That is a thousands cube. Okay, ready? So what we're going to do today is that's just an introduction to thousands. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to work on starting with our thousands. Go in here, let me delete. So we can go in here. Let me go here and we're going to make our thousands. Our number today is going to be 500. Oops. 543.
Miss Maria, I can't see it, please.
You can't see? Okay, hang on. Let me try again. Can you see it now? Awesome. Second time is the charm. Thank you for letting me know, Kinsley. 543. 543 is your number. $543. How many hundreds? How many tens? How many ones? Good job, Noah. So Noah says there's 5 hundreds blocks. Nicely done, Kinsley. Kinsley says there's also 500 blocks. Oh, Raghav says there's 5 100s blocks and that there's 4 10 sticks and 3 ones cubes. Good job. And if you're gonna pull this number apart and we're gonna write it in our expanded notation, it is going to be 500 plus 40 plus 3. Okay, 543. Good job. Okay, let's go on to our next one. We're gonna do 2 more today. So I erased most of my board. Boop. Okay, here we go. Our number today, second number, is going to be 741. 741. How many hundreds? How many tens? How many ones? Good job, Zuri. Zuri says there's going to be 7 hundreds cubes. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Then you have, good job. Oh, Kinsley says there's 7 too. Good job, Rakav. You have 4 10 sticks. And then last but not least, good job, Kinsley. You have 1 ones cube. Nicely done, Noah. Okay, last one today. We're going to play with our thousands area. Now we're going to keep in mind those thousands cubed, to draw them out can be kind of difficult. So we're going to play with it. So you have 1,234. When you're drawing out a thousands cube, it looks like her hundreds block in the front, and then you have to angle your lines back. Okay. So do your best. So 1,234. Eden. Good job, Rakav. Yep, good job. I love your thousands block, your thousands cube there. Wonderfully done. I know sometimes those can be a little bit difficult. 1,200. So you have 200 blocks. How many tens? You have 3 tens. And last but not least, 4 ones cubes. 4 ones cubes. Good job, Zuri. That's a really great block. I like your cube there. Nicely done. Good job, Noah. 1. Ooh, great job, Kinsley. Wonderful work. Okay, we are going to go on from here and we're going to start looking at our word problems today. And you're going to help me with these word problems, okay? We're going to find the numbers that we need and then we're going to add them together, okay? There are 10 hens. 10 hens. So the first number we need is 10. So the first number we need is 10 because there are 10 hens playing in the field. 5 more come from the farm across the bend. So we need 5 more. Then the farmer bought 4 more hens. How many hens were in the yard in total? So we need 4 more hens. So we have 10 plus 5 plus 4 equals 20. Oh, I like that you're using the tally marks. Nicely done. Yep, you're right. Good job. I like your double check. Yep. You have your 10, put 10 in your head. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So if you got 19, you are correct. Good job. Okay, let's try another one together. Ready? Ooh, there are 10 horses galloping in the field. So what is our first number? We have to have our first number. It needs to be 10 because that's our first number. A father duck and his 3 babies. Well, there's a father duck, so that means there's 1 duck and his 3 babies, ducklings, wander through the field to say hi. The little pig named Wilbur giggled. Oh, there's a pig, so there's another one. How many animals were in the field altogether? So we have 10 horses plus 1 father duck plus 3 ducklings plus 1 little pig named Wilbur. How many animals do we have in all? Forgot to highlight the rest of them. 1 little pig named Wilbur, and then there's a father duck. Nicely done, Noah.
Miss Maria, is this correct?
Let's see. You are correct. That's correct. Yep. So you put 10 in your head, and then you can count up. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. 15. Good job, Zuri. Nicely done, Zayden. Good job, Rahav. Nicely done. Wonderful work. Okay, sorry. Had to get, Zayden can't hear us. Okay, so let's try another one. Ready? There are 10 goats. Okay, so our first number important is going to be the number 10 climbing up in the field. 1 rooster, so another one would be a rooster, would be 1, stood to watch them, and 3 chicks danced in the middle of the climbing goats. So 3 chicks. So we have 10 and 1 and 3. How many animals were in all? So 10 plus 1 plus 3 equals 20. Good job, Rahab. What is the sum? Nicely done, Noah. Yep. So you have 10 in your head. 11, 12, 13, 14. Good job, Kinsley. I can see you counting. 14. Good job. Okay. Good job, Zuri. Nicely done. Okay, let's try another one. We're almost done. There are 7 rabbits. So our first number that's important is 7. Hopping in the field. The farmer bought 10 more. Okay, so we bought 10 more rabbits. 10 more. And they had 7 little baby bunnies. 7 baby bunnies. How many did the farmer have in all? So 7 plus 10 plus 7 equals blank. It's a big number. So you know 10. Okay, and then if you know your doubles, that's 7 plus 7. It's going to be 14. You take 14 and you add 10 together. Oops, my screen went away. Let's try this again. Good job. Nicely done, Kinsley. Good job, Rahav. Nicely done, Noah. Yep. 14 plus 10 is going to be 24. Good job. Okay, that's all we have today. Nicely done, Zuri. I will be back in here tomorrow. We'll do a little bit more math tomorrow, okay? Have a wonderful rest of your day. Let me stop my recording.